Welcome to this Linux tutorial where you'll learn how to master the find command. Are you tired of searching for files in Linux? Do you want to learn a powerful command that can help you locate files quickly and efficiently? Searching for files in Linux can be frustrating, especially if you're new to the operating system. You may have tried using the GUI file manager, but it's not efficient. That's where the find command comes in. The find command is a powerful tool that allows you to search for files based on various criteria, such as file name, size, and modification time. Its syntax is simple: find path, expression. Let's see an example of how to use the find command. Suppose we want to find all text files in the current directory and its subdirectories. We can use the following command: find name*txt. When using the find command, make sure to specify the correct path and expression. Also, be careful when using the delete option, as it permanently deletes files. Always test your find command in a non-critical directory first. In summary, the find command is a powerful tool for searching files in Linux. With practice, you'll become proficient in using it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorials and tips.